Okay, so hello again, everybody, and welcome to another recording videos. And I'm gonna start to load some data into the myrocks, and then I will, if the data loading could run successfully, and I can also execute a SQL query to myrocks. Then I'm gonna check the source code of myrocks and try to start the trace function so that we could get the trace data, and then we will be able to plug some figures from the trace data file. Right, I'm gonna start I'm gonna code for an hour to now. It's 4:48 p.m. I will code to 5:48 p.m. Okay. Today I have a lot of sleep. I think it's because I just drank too much coffee this day at Microsoft. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have some lingering effect about coffee. That's okay. It's nice to have such sleep. I feel good after I do the sleep. Okay, so let's jump back in. And I have already executed some command like uh, uh, like this one. You see that? This is the SQL file that contains the oh no, oh no, that contains the create table SQL commands to create the data, to create a table in the myrocks. So yeah, that's good. This code I just copied from this guy's repo. I gotta say, express my appreciation to this guy, whoever he is. And then I'm gonna try to load the data, right? I will try to load the data. Okay, okay. I'm gonna try to run this command. Test. Yeah. Test. Test line item. Maybe we should try to show the database first, right? MySQL dash U. I don't know, guys, if you can see it clearly, so I just zoom in of my terminal to make you have a clear view. I think the font size is great. It's big enough for you guys to have a clear view. And then I'm gonna try to show the tables. Show tables. Yeah, we have a line item. Line item. Line item. No, line item. Item. Alright. Let's try this cd trace test. I'm gonna run test. My SQL server is running. Secure file prep. I need to check a little bit about this. Uh, things like the MySQL server start with some options that prevent me to load the data. I'm gonna check a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna regret this. Can we do that? Secure file. Secure non-local. The server reads a text file located on server host. So this security requirements you must have. Because the file sent over local load. Okay. Something local. Load data. Alright, I'm gonna add a local. I think this will solve the problems. Load data local. Right, and then try to run it again. I'm gonna regret this. Oh, everything looks great. I hope everything looks great. Let's try to use test select. How am I gonna MySQL get table row count select sun. Let's check. Show table status. Okay. Show test. No, show line item status. Show table status. Yeah, I'm gonna regret this. Engine line item. Yeah, see that? We have rows, 5,000 rows. It's great. We write it. I'm gonna try to select MySQL get 10 rows. Start your order by ID. Let's make 10. Now I became a SQL boy. You know. You're gonna regret this. MySQL dash new root dash e and select start from select start from what's this from line item order by ID disk limit 10, and then ver1. What is this? Ordered by ID, ESC, ascending and descending. All right, order by ID, ASC, use test. Oh fuck! I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna just select start from use test, select start from line item, and I'm just gonna add dash in 10. What? Select. Let's see. Order party key, subkey line number. Yeah, I'm gonna regret this. L quantity, text. Yep, everything looks great. Okay, great. And then I'm gonna load the data is successful. Works out. What's the next step? The next step would be to run the SQL, right? I'm gonna how am I gonna run the SQL? I will need to check this guy's repo. History. As a bill. What is the next step? Run, right? I think the third step is run, horizontal run. After the database has been created, you can use the scripts inside the tree run. Directory in order to measure the performance under various conditions. Directory contains the tpch queries and 3 scripts that help with performing measurements. 它那个我是不太清楚啊。Let's check. Simplest measurement is done using the script horizontal or the script it runs every benchmark required repeatedly for m times, hence the name. Helps distinguish output file. to use is minimum time, the best time that the database achieved for this query, but maximum and average times reported as well. Needs to be running before another way Petri run the whole set query m times. Array repeatedly for n times. Horizontal parent experiment. Matrix of parameters. The database form. Starts and stops the server itself. Database repeats. Is the monitor a long time? It's recorded as the baseline performance of this query. The script repeatedly executes a whole benchmark query set for the time period. As given by the option. Example? I don't have the money. Yeah, for quality assessment, the codebase we should regularly run to keep track of this. Alright, I'm saying I'm gonna check a vertical run. tpch. So this is the table file, this is the ref data. I don't know what is ref data. I want to check out the tpch. Can't trust anyone. Ref.是花钱买罪受，滚远点！那你这么说，那没有必要了。What is CWI? Searching with contain info. Sounds like it's a Germany. It's a Germany's university. Yeah, I'm not gonna check this. I'm gonna what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check the vertical run, right? So this is some options. I want to see if there is a call to one.cycle to the cycle the files. You see this SQL files. I want to see if there's a call to the SQL files, right? Supplier where air select. Do we have insert? I want to check if there's an insert. Yeah, I'm gonna regret this. We must have. I think we should have, right? We should have 15, 20, 22. No, actually we don't have. We only have. I want to search for insert. No, we don't have such thing. Or we have a capital insert. Do we have this? No, we don't have. What is the end runs? End runs equals 1 for R, 2, okay, optimizer for Q and LS. What the fuck is this? Bash double ampersand? No, ampersand. Um, what is this symbol name called? Oh, question mark. Bash double question mark. Match 0 to infinity, exactly 1. I'm gonna regret this. I want to try this out. For or in ls dot SQL do echo star join. Let's enter tpch cd queries. Yep. Start.sql. Okay. Oh, we have. Oh, so this means it's just a two-digit. It exactly matched two characters. Okay, I get this. If r equals 1, optimizer query. Yeah, I'm gonna regret this. Oh! Oh, my phone just dropped. Yeah, I think my phone's it's pretty suck. I need to change a new phone. Let's wait a little bit and let's see. And client port. Query cat query. Okay, okay, temp. What then? Python C. Oh, so this sentence will execute all the SQL commands in one at once. Then we have start time, end time, got seconds, we got TTL, done, got done, and then we have DB name tag. Alright, looks good. Alright, I get this. I get this. I will try to win tam.sql. Customer orders line item animation. Dash u root dash e use test select start from line item c dash l. I want to test if the name of the table is identified by the capital letters or lowercase letters, or we could both use capital letters and the lowercase letters to read the data from the table name. Use test show select start from line item wc dash l. Oh fuck. Line item. Yeah, we can't do this. So I'm gonna change a little bit, and I will start a new database instance. think I'm gonna run tpch. tpch vf -s1 -ref -s1. Wow, there's so much data. Graph table. Yeah, now we have all the tables we want. Whim, line item. Okay. How many tables? Wow, that's 6 million. That's a lot. Get the table. We will try to load the data into the database, right? I want to read more about this dbgen doc. I want to find out if there's an insert or updates to this SQL. It feels like the tpch has only queries. It did not have a update operation or insert operation to the database. Has failed to allow as much flexibility as possible, but is fundamentally intended to generate two things: database population against and updates that are used during the update functions. Here are some samples. Okay, things like there is updates for qualification. What am I gonna do? This one is 2-C 100-T-P. We to generate update files needed for a 4-string run. All of the throughput test at 100 gigabytes using the existing set. Okay, and then I got. Yeah, I'm gonna require this. -U4. What does -U mean? Updates created specify number of datasets in flat files for. Okay, we do have -u. Great. Great. I know this now. Okay. So this means db gen help to generate updates. How about we run db gen -v-u for updates, maybe -s1 -c. What is -c? Separate data setting in chunks. I don't think I need to separate. I'm gonna go with defaults. Let's go. Ooh, that's pretty fast. Grab, take. Oh, we get this U1, U2, U4 orders. But what about part? I see. So U1 means updates. Let's check the contents. wc-l. Start line item dot start U1. Oh, start U start. Alright, looks good. Looks good. Then what's next? I'm gonna write this down. Write my doc down. Know more about tpch generation. Database table info and usage workload generation command. So what's in tpch? Mainly some order, some tables. We have table order, line item, and etc. And each table gets some columns. So how to generate this table? You can call dbgen as one, or maybe you could call dbgen -help vf1, right? You could call this to generate 1 GB file. 1 gigabyte data, and this will generate the following table file, and I'll grab only table. Now grab only table. Exclude hue. -3. Okay. Great. You're gonna regret this. I can play. You can also generate some update, some data file used for update and insert SQL command with the following command: tpch-help. Great. Great. For more, check this. For the readme and the tpch repo. Okay. Okay. So what's next? I think we should write a script, right? We should write some script, and my tpch run load the data into myrocks. First, we have the following steps. First, you need to create myrocks instance of database, right? Instance DB can call MySQL install DB blah blah blah, and then you can create table, create tables with MySQL-root-e use test Now it's called test tpch schema.sql um, trace test and then you create the tables you want to load the data into. Load data, load table file data into myrocks database. You can call the mysql-u root-e. Load the local in file line item dot table and then separated by okay, into table line item and fields terminated by what? By vertical bar, right? You're gonna regret this. Okay, looks great. Can we do this? I don't know. I don't use test. And for the fourth step would be tpch. Now we have the data and the table data and the myrocks. We are gonna run tpch benchmark. I think we're gonna try this, right? -u -e. Weird. How am I gonna test? Yeah, right. We just throw in bunch of SQL temp SQL the file. You need to start. Alright. I think that's it. That's how you run your database, right? Okay, looks great. I think your thoughts will get much more clear when you write your plan or the docs like this. Now you can start write code. I think this is good. When I try to practice how to load data into the database, and this small practice just helped me build this doc, right? I just proved it. I try it. I get the data, I get the output. This is pretty good. And also, guys, I have 8 more minutes, and I will get 1 hour coding. I think this is pretty good right now. I'm gonna go to pee. Alright. I'm coming back. Maybe. Let's just start our test. But one thing I'm curious is what is inside the 1. Why do we want to do this? Pricing. From customer. 3 group by. I don't want it to do anything to you. Let's see. I'm gonna queries. What about a QGen? I want to check QGen too. QGen is written. Query takes a assortment of command, which this option should be added during the translation. In the list of a query, it then translates the template found in select return flag sum extended price as average from line item. Can we do this? I don't know. Per quit. Nothing too much about it. Sum as to average make file use contents of file db name begin work commit work output to translate generic query template into valid allows inclusion message connect diagnostic. Oh yeah, right. I don't think I'll need to use this qgen command. I'll just stick with I'll just stick with my queries. What about answers? I really don't sure. Q10 reference. What is this? Wow, there's so many data. What is this? Okay. Command update. I didn't see the update, trim update. I don't know how to call this updates. This has been I'm gonna just try to run this first. Test. Alright. First, we will try to install DB, right? MySQL install DB. Default file equals I think the time's up. I want to have my dinner and then I'll come back. 'per default or from command line. Alright. Okay, I get this. How to get a default value. intelligent. Okay, okay, A, B, and C. Get options. If you want to retreat your way to understand difference. Alright. What is my input? My variable to be defined as a local. Okay, okay. What is this 100% per percent sign? So hash is like an array because it can have more than one values. Isn't an array? Oh, cool, cool. I get this. I get this. Nodes about nodes of per. Right. 3 types of variables. Scalar. The second is array. The third is hash. So you could call like this. You could call like this, or you could call like this. Nice. Alright, everybody. Today's recording, this time's up. I'm gonna try to get my dinner. And, great. I'm gonna come back and try to write my scripts tonight. Okay? Goodbye, everybody. See you in next recording.